What's up guys and good morning, welcome back to a new video. So today, another day training in red sand will be very good. I think the track is prepared today, I'm not sure, but he said that yeah, the track will be rough for 3 days, and it's been rough for 3 days now. So I think it's newly prepped, but of course not sure, but hopefully it is, because yeah, the track was really rough the last days I was riding there. My PC have been struggling a lot the last couple of days. I'm still rendering the last video, but I've been struggling all day, all night, because yeah, the rendering takes so much time and it fails and everything just happens and the PC crashes, and yeah, I just struggled a lot with the PC, but hopefully now it's working and it's rendering. So that's why the last video was kind of late, but hopefully it doesn't bother you too much. But yeah, now it's time for a new video and a new 2 days at red sand. So got everything packed together, let's go to the track. Yeah, there it is. Stupid thing failed again. I don't know what to do now. I'm so tired of this bad PC. Happy with my latest investments, the slippers, but I wear it inside, so we will take the dirty shoes to the track. You can see it's quite dirty, but yeah, let's go. Little bit windy out today actually, but hopefully it's not too bad at the track. Yeah. Yeah, your spot. Go. Go. Well, so then we are on our way to the track. Hope for a good day of riding. Mia is getting cozy in her bed. Yeah.
Yo, I'm a clean cut, drunk, and elegant mongrel with my feet up, bros. I do what I want to. Straight up, my place looks like a dump, but I leave the house looking like $1,000,000. And if you see me out,
let's get changed. Ready to hit the track. Let's go.
And you'd swear I was rich until you notice that I'm pissed and whistling at your missus, blowing kisses to fit bitches and starting fights with fat cock blocking women to ruin your night. I'm a beautiful type, I got swag, nearly everything I brought. Sports a man on a horse, fresh jeans most of the time, my face be shaved clean. It's all part of the scheme to keep the scumbag unseen. 99 bottles of beer on the wall. Fuck that, I'm sinking more piss than public toilet systems. Think I'm a nice guy now? You're a clown, I'm a low down scumbag, you just haven't found out. Nah, don't be fooled, yo, check the attitude, I'm a scumbag, baby. Don't act like you couldn't tell that deep inside. I'm an impolite, inconsiderate asshole. Oh, right. Chauvinistic, sexist pig with a chip on my shoulder. I don't respect anybody, don't be deceived by the way that I speak. I'm an undercover scumbag. Really? Man, I couldn't give a rat's ass about your issues. When you put that music out, it's like you want us to dish you. Let's face it, I don't do this for the cash, punk. I'm happy where I am while these sluts are getting their tummy tucked. You got vanity issues and I'd hate to bring it up, but unfortunately for you, you still look like a mutt. Wait, was that her? Fuck that slut. Man, fuck a DJ that don't wanna give me play. I'm the rawest thing since that CD the Chopper remade. And I don't give respect when it's due. When I was young I used to knock and run a doorstep your shoes. Excuse me while I get loose on the booze in King's Cross, laughing, starting disputes with the prostitutes. Stopping who? Me? Nah, never that. I'll never change my ways till I'm asleep in the grave. Chances of me turning over a new leaf are as about as
What's up guys, we are back from the track. The track was awesome today. Almost the whole track was ripped, so it was a perfect day of training. The track developed into some good lines and stuff. I think I had the fastest lap actually on the last lap, so bit slow in the start, but yeah, as the track developed into some good lines, it got faster, so my fastest lap was the last one, so a good day. I did 4 laps 8 times with 10-minute break in between, so a tempo day and a solid workout. I had a consistent lap time, so happy with that. Found some good flow at the track and happy with my riding today. But plan now is to do some strength training, relax and get ready for tomorrow, another day at red sand training. So see you guys tomorrow. What's up guys and good morning. So just about to head to the track, so let's go. I think today is going to be a good day at the track. The weather is at least awesome, and I think the tracks are good too, because in the nights it's a little bit chilly, so now in the morning a little bit like wet on the track, so throughout the day the track and the grip will be perfect. So looking forward to riding. Plan today is doing 2 motos of 35 minutes plus 2 laps, so will be a hard day of training, but yeah, good training also. At the track, ready for a great day training, so let's get changed.
You ain't accomplishing world peace, so please go easy on the subject. I'm cool with criticism, but watch how you construct it.
Today, look at that. What's there, you may think? Ooh, a fresh pair of TCX boots. Finally. Solid black ones, looking awesome. Let's ride with them today.
Sun sets, then I'm out on the prowl. Go from Prince Charles to ODB within an hour. Fuck a shower, son, the aftershave.
No man, today is vlog 53.
53 today.
Yeah.
All day.
Yeah. Warm up.
Choky beat. Choky beat.
So just got back from the Holta now, from the track and also cycling. Riding today was really good. I did the 2 35-minute motos and the riding went really good. Had some solid lap times, so it was great. The track was nice and had a great time. When we went back here, I went out for a cycling ride straight away after 30 minutes in the city next by. Yeah, my tire got punctured and I needed to be picked up, so waited 20 minutes there. Not too warm, got pretty cold, so will be good with a hot shower now. Can't wait for it actually. So that's it for today's video, guys. I have like a small announcement I want to make. So in each video I will have one question that I will answer in depth. So if you guys have some nice questions, then put it in the comments. For a nice questions I will bring it into the video. I think that will be a nice thing to do, one question for each video. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. Until next time, full gas. Bye.